Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Linking your mobile number to your Iqama is a vital step for living in Saudi Arabia. This process connects your identity to your phone line. It allows you to use government apps like Abshur. You have two main ways to do this. First, you can visit a local cell phone provider. Go to an STC, Mobily, or Zain store. Bring your physical Iqama card with you. Tell the staff you want to register your number. They will scan your fingerprints on a small device. This confirms your identity. Once done, your number is linked. The second way is using an Abshur self-service kiosk. You can find these helpful machines in malls or major airports. Start by selecting your language on the screen. Choose the option to update your mobile number. Insert your Iqama card into the machine slot. The machine will ask for your fingerprints. Place your finger on the scanner when prompted. Type in your new mobile phone number. You will receive a verification code via text message. Enter this code into the kiosk screen. The system will process your request instantly. You will get a message saying the link is successful. This official connection is required for all important digital services in the country today. It ensures your account is secure and private. Make sure the SIM card is in your own name. Do not use a number registered to someone else. Following these simple steps makes your daily life much easier. You can now access health, travel, and labor services online. Your mobile number is now officially tied to your current residency permit.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.